Did you know that in today's digital age, patients are making crucial decisions based on online presence? Yes, you heard it right. Every single day, thousands of people are actively searching for healthcare professionals online in your locality. If your digital footprint is not there, you are missing out a lot. Stay with me because in this video, we are diving deep into why your online presence is not just crucial but an absolute game changer. Hello, doctors. I am Pramod Kumar, also known as Digital Kumar, a former digital marketer now specializing in 10x growth and automation. With over 2 decades in the game, my digital marketing agency has been rocking in the industry globally, mainly in healthcare. Managing 5 plus online businesses on autopilot, I have now launched Digital Doctor Hub, a community with a simple mission: empower 100,000 doctors in India like you to not just survive but thrive in today's digital age. Join the ride and let's elevate your digital game together. Today, I am here to talk about something crucial: how to build your personal brand and attract patients organically. With the new NMC guidelines and unethical data sharing practice, building your own brand has become absolutely essential for doctors who want to thrive. A personal brand is unique combination of skills and experiences that make you who you are. Effective personal branding sets you apart from competition, help you connect with potential patients, and most importantly, build trust, which is key of healthcare field. So, how do you build this powerful personal brand? Step 1: choose the right social media channel. Where is your audience? Are they on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or maybe on YouTube? Try to understand your client demographic, their age, location, and interest. For instance, a general physician in Delhi might target patients aged 30 to 55 living in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. So, Facebook and WhatsApp would be the great choice for building personal brand over there. Don't worry, join our vibrant Digital Doctor Hub community where you will find the support and resources you need. Simply navigate our community link in the description and let's embark on this journey together. Now, discuss the step 2: optimize your online presence. Make it easy for patients to find you. Use your full name and clear bio across all social media platforms. This will ensure your profile appear in all search results and most importantly in Google. Share valuable content related to your field. Inform and engage your audience with insightful articles, videos, or even Q&A sessions. Remember to keep your details updated. This include contact information, qualification, and practice information. The more accurate your profile, the higher it will be ranked in search result. Want to know more about online visibility? Want to know more about online visibility? We will be back with an in-depth video on how to supercharge your online visibility using Google Business. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you are ready to take your digital presence to the next level, stay tuned with us. We are about to dive deep into the strategies that will skyrocket your visibility online. If you are watching this video on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, or if you watching on Instagram, please follow me. And if you are watching this on WhatsApp, just click on the link given in description. So let's continue step number 3. Engage with your patients. Build trust by sharing your knowledge. Explain medical case, answer questions, and offer valuable insights. This show you care and strengthens your connection with patients. Tool like Brand My Clinic app can help you in this. Create personalized marketing poster with valuable information to share on WhatsApp and other social platforms. It's your digital home. Your website allow patients to learn more about you, your practice, your clinic time, and how to book appointments. Remember, building a strong personal brand takes time and efforts. But with these steps and support of Digital Doctors Hub, you can attract patients organically and build a thriving practice. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your personal brand today. Check out the description for more resources and information about Digital Doctor Hub. Thank you.